Yeah, so anyway, I managed to get that back up there in place. It's not the prettiest looking job I've ever seen. But nonetheless, it's up there. And it's better than nothing. So I'll put the upper control arm back in and we'll get on our way.